Okay, everybody can give a huge round of applause for Shraddha. Hello, Shraddha.
Hi everyone. It's so nice to be here. Nice to meet you, Shraddha.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. And I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna say this one more time. इन्ना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया इन्ना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया I don't have anything to say. You're looking absolutely stunning. Everybody can give a huge round of applause for our brand ambassador, Shraddha Kapoor. We are thrilled to have you with us today, and it is it is an honor that you are the brand ambassador of Neutrogena. But I want to know from you, what made you partner with us, with the brand Neutrogena?
First of all, hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? मस्त? खाना वाना खाया कि नहीं अभी तक? जो ले? अच्छा मस्त. So it's really nice to be here. I have to say that I'm very excited to be the face of Neutrogena because who better than experts to tell you what's good for your skin? I think that we live in a time where there are so many trends that are going around with beauty, with skincare. I mean, this is your skin you're talking about. And for me, nothing goes above something that is backed by science for your skin. So for me, it couldn't get better than Neutrogena, very honestly, because this is a brand which is almost about to complete 100 years, guys. This is a brand which has been backed by science for 90 plus years. So the very foundation of Neutrogena is science-based. So for me, for my skin, I think that is the ultimate. So I'm very happy to be the new face.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's have a round of applause. And I don't think we could have heard better words from you. This was bang on. Well, with that, I want to know from you, which is your favorite Neutrogena product?
So, I'm a big believer of pani pio. Pani is very good for health, for various reasons, including your skin. So for that reason, my favorite product is the Hydro Boost range, I would say, because it completely hydrates my skin. And that is something that we know is good for you when you consume as well. And when your product has it, it's incredible.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Once again, can we have a round of applause for her? And with this, I have a quick, fun questions for you. This is like a rapid fire question. So first one is a yay or a nay. Okay, very quick. Skipping hydrating your skin.
No, never. Nay. Nahi.
Okay, and in 20 different languages. Is
Nako.
Ajibat nako.
Na.
Is drinking water enough for hydrating your skin?
Very honestly, yes.
Wow, thank you so much for the chair.
सिर्फ एक ही sorry मस्ती कर रही हूँ पर I feel very frankly I think there are individual skin. Oh, this was not a ye. Sorry, ye or nay.
Yay or nay, yes.
Acha, so I have to keep it very simple, basically.
You want to make it complex? Women are complex.
Can I give a little bit of an answer to this?
Yes.
So
please.
I feel that all of us have individual skin needs. All of us over here have either really oily skin or dry skin or combination skin or, different issues with our skin. So I think it's a very individual approach to skincare. Definitely hydrating, consuming healthy food, consuming healthy beverages also contribute to great skin. But there are skincare practices that all of us must do because externally also we are depending on different people's lifestyles. आप धूप में कितना हो? जैसे for me, I am in front of harsh lights quite often. So I need to take care of my skin in a different way. And I think that your lifestyle choices and really good products work very well together hand in hand. So I would say that it's a combination of both.
So it's a nay.
Nye.
Okay. Next up, not reapplying your sunscreen. Yay or nay?
No, because if you're going to be in the sun for a very long time, then you must reapply your sunscreen every
Course.
couple of hours.
Sleeping with your makeup on.
Oh, bapre, big nay. Big nay, because I think we all know this now, ki sleeping with your makeup on is really bad for your skin. And it just takes a couple of extra minutes to take your makeup off. So please do that. Even no matter how tired you are, no matter what you feel, ki, arey, chodo na, no, please nikal do makeup.
Okay, but I think I want to take some
Nay.
notes right away. So with that, we're done with yay or nay. The next question is the first word that comes to your mind when you say.
Neutrogena.
Oh, wow. Can we have a round of applause for that? Love this answer. Next one is a this or that. What would you choose? Gel-based or...
Honestly, I can't choose one. I'll be very honest. I go through phases. I don't know who goes through skincare phases over here. Sometimes gel, sometimes cream. I am also exactly like them. Currently, I'm going through a gel phase. So, yes.
Okay. So this and that, both. Perfect.
Yes.
12-step routine or a 3-step routine?
What is a 12-step routine?
It's... I
What
think the
is-
influencers will be able to tell you.
What is a 12-step routine? Is there a... मुझे नहीं पता 12-step routine क्या होता है कुछ? इनको भी शायद नहीं लग रहा कि होता है. पहले 12-step routine हम तो नहीं करते. बहुत time जाता है उसमें. I would say 3 यार,
Step,
मतलब
yes.
12 steps, बाप रे.
12 is too
इतना
much.
Too much. मतलब 12 steps में I think the only 12-step routine that I would want to follow is probably a 12-course.
Me? Oh, wow. Everyone would love that,
Probably
I
just
think.
that's the only 12-step thing I would want to do.
I'm going to vote for that.
Yes.
The next one is Hydro Boost Water Gel or Hydro Boost Night Cream.
You can't choose now because you need one for the night and then you need one for the day.
So again, both.
But I sometimes also use my night cream in the day. I'll be very honest.
You do that?
I do that sometimes because it has a denser hydration. And on some days when I feel like my skin is a little more dry, I will use the night cream in the day also. Rule breaker.
Wow, we love it. Okay, the last one, glass skin or matte finish?
There is this full trend now, glass skin wala trend and all. You know, I feel like some of these trends, I'm like, ये क्या skincare के नाम पे कौन से trends चल रहे हैं? No, I would say healthy skin. I'll just pick healthy skin. Health over any of these trends.
Well, thank you so much, Shraddha. It has been an absolute pleasure. Once again, can we have a huge round of applause? And I want to take each and every point that you said, and I want to start. Request you to please take your seat. We are going to move ahead with the panel discussion.
Thank God. I'm not sitting without.
Okay, perfect. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we have a discussion lined up, and I would request our panelists to please join us. Of course, Shraddha is here with us. With her, I have Ms. Komal Upadhyay, Senior Product Manager, Neutrogena.
Yeah. Hi everyone, thanks for joining us here at the Beauty with No Compromise event. We're very happy solutions. Our distinguished panelists, Shraddha, Dr. Puneet, and Prithvi, are each an expert in their field, will guide us through these principles today and illuminating our paths to effective skincare. We are not here just to discuss Neutrogena's innovations, but to redefine what it means to choose skincare products carefully and wisely. Our goal is to product. Together, let's explore these 3 rules, which can really transform your skincare routine so that you no longer have to settle for less and your beauty is always without any compromises. And that brings me to rule number 1. Recent study we saw 90% of consumers agree that when they look for a skincare product, they actually just focus on picking the hero ingredient. How many of you, when look for a product, you're just looking for, let's say, a hyaluronic acid in a product or a niacinamide, right? I mean, I've been there, done that. So when people are actually choosing their products looking at just the ingredient, what's your take on this?
You know, I feel like, again, talking about trends, there are these new skincare trends which come up, which has certain trending ingredients की अरे आप अगर आपके product में ये ingredient है तो उसका ये benefit हो सकता है. And you know, while very frankly, while those trends can really convince you even, sometimes they can convince the buyer, the consumer, thinking that they will get those benefits. But really, how do you know what percentage of which ingredient will address your concern? That is exactly why it's so important to have scientific research done behind the product that you are choosing for your skin, and not just going blindly by what is trending or what is being spoken about on social media. So I feel personally, I leave that to the experts, and I leave that to research to decide for me what my concern is, and then I will pick that product for myself.
Talking about experts, what's your take on that, Dr. Puneet?
With what you were saying is, you know, even if you have somebody who's preparing a dish, okay, the question is, does that person even really know how to cook, if I may add to that example? Because once you know that, then that person knows कि अच्छा इसमें इतना सा ये मसाला जाएगा, इतना ये जाएगा. This masala has these benefits. So oftentimes what I feel is that is a very important question that we should be asking. Is there research behind the formulations that present the existence of the efficacy to be there, as opposed to it just being random ingredients just being added? So to lure, very frankly, to lure and to make it look very, how do you say, attractive for a consumer to purchase. So it's definitely, who do you know what you're making, and do you have the expertise to make that?
Yeah. I think that was a beautiful establishment of our rule number 1. And moving, so the question is, what do you look for when you go to purchase a sunscreen? What is it that you're looking for in your sunscreen? Do we have the answers? Is everyone done? Okay, we can do the answers now.
About our skincare. So I approach it very differently. For me, here, the last thing that I'm thinking about is the packaging, no matter how colorful or pretty or क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब एकदम आकर्षक दिख रहा है, it doesn't matter. The question that we have to be asking is this product going to do what it's supposed to do? Is it going to address the issue that it needs to address? So again, it is over, and it should be beyond the packaging and the aesthetic and the outwardly appearance of the product.
Absolutely. What do you think, Dr. Praneeth?
100%. While aesthetics are important, we see people put out, oh, it feels nice, it's instantly juicy, it looks dewy, it's lightweight, has no white cast. But isn't the job of a sunscreen to sunscreen you? Have you used it on a holiday and realized that you've had no sun damage or you've had minimum sun damage? Do you know that there are so many filters which break down when exposed to UV light? We don't get into these. These are very complex scientific terms. Media doesn't want to talk about those. So a sunscreen has to sunscreen. That's the main thing. So aesthetics are important, but never at the compromise of efficacy. I think you can very well, and that's the job of a great formulator, to blend in how it feels nice immediately, but delivers what it's supposed to deliver.
So do you think that we can play a role and add up to the whole situation at the moment in the skincare business?
Oh,
That's a big responsibility.
that's actually, you know, I think all of you are in such an influential position. And you guys know what y'all are doing best. I'll be very honest. So I can't sit here and give you any gyan, but I can probably talk about what I could do. Because all of us have, how do you say, public platforms, and we have people who are following us and probably and hopefully getting inspired by us. So, I mean, I know that I may not be perfect. I know that when I am sharing snippets of my life, there is vada pav also that I'm sharing about, which we know is not entirely a healthy option to eat very, very often. But at the same time, I'm not saying that that is the only thing that my life is, my eating habit about. That's not the only thing that
As
it's
you
about.
just said that
So,
you'll run behind the trend. I love that line, right? So, coming from that, what exactly do you think we can add on?
so I feel very honestly, I mean, I try to keep it as real as I can. You know, I try to keep it as real as I can. I try to personally live a very balanced life where I also love my vada pav and all that kind of khana, but I also eat very healthy food. So I try my best to keep it as real as I can. So I would just suggest to you guys also that, you know, keep it as real as you can and keep it very personal. Who are you? What aspects of your life are you sharing? For example, I am so excited to be a part of Neutrogena because for me, it's a brand that for me, the first thing that I think about Neutrogena is like, oh, I can trust this brand because I know that they have done their due diligence. They have the scientists who are constantly working on formulation. So I know that when I'm putting it out there, I have that faith. So it's something that I would say that do your bit to keep it as real as you can. And also, I mean, when you express yourself, I'm sure that you also want the best for yourself, right? And in what you're showing and sharing with the world. So I don't know if this entirely answers your question, but I would say that, yeah, I try my best to keep it as real as I can.
So I love how she said she's not influencing, she is inspiring.
Thank you so much, Shraddha, for this wonderful discussion. So much to take away. Up for you. And we have a great product to be launched. Okay, we're going to give a countdown starting from Komal. Komal, I would request you to please come a little forward. Come a little forward. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's have a huge round of applause for the new product launch. Brought to you by Neutrogena. Okay, once again, can we have a huge round of applause for the amazing product? And I'm going to directly hand it over to Shraddha.
Oh, acha, photo.
कुठे ठेव इथं लपून ठेव का मागे
Okay, all set. Now I would request everyone to please maintain a little bit silence while Shraddha speaks. Yes, Shraddha, over to you.
So I'm very excited about this product. I mean, especially अभी रमज जो शुरू होने वाला है. So I definitely look for. I mean, I practice good sunscreen habits, and for this to have this is the new Hydro Boost Hydrating, as you can see, fluid SPF 50 sunscreen. It has the hydration in it, and that is something that I really feel like my skin needs. Something that we were talking about earlier. So I'm very excited that Neutrogena has come up with this product, and I'm very excited to use it.
Thank you so much, and we are equally excited to have you on board with us. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we have a small video from Estelle. She's a regional R&D scientist from Neutrogena. So can we please have the video on the screen?
Hi everyone, my name is Estelle. I'm a senior scientist here at Neutrogena, and I'm really
And can we have a huge round of applause for Shraddha, our brand ambassador at Neutrogena? और इतनी आसानी से तो आपको जाने नहीं देंगे. एक selfie तो बनता है, right? So yes, can we have the selfie stick? Yes, with everybody together. You need to smile now. Come on, everybody, all the influencers. Our media is super happy, but I want some smiles from the influencers as well.
अच्छा टाइमर चालू हो गया. ओके ओके एंड 1 2 3.
हो गया
Yes. I would request the brand team at Neutrogena to please join us on the stage. Yes, yes, please join, please join. We have few more Indian content. Let's have some Instagram content. 3 cheers for Neutrogena and Shraddha. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much.
It was so nice to see all of you, and I just wanted to share with you all and say that it's incredible what all of you are doing, and wish you all the best. May all of you make your own unique niche, and yeah, I'm just very happy that all of you came here, and all the best with everything that you do.
श्रद्धा मॅम इथे बघा, इथे मॅम इथे श्रद्धा मॅम इकडे, मॅम इकडे बघा श्रद्धा मॅम. इथे माझ्याकडे बघा, इथे इथे नका बघू तिकडे. मॅम यहाँ पे धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. Give me a huge round of applause for